Good morning. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ungowe Kethelwe. Excuse my face. Yeah, need busy skin treatment. Nivuga. I'm not sure how to explain ukuthi i-pain engivuka nayo. I'm not sure how to explain i-pain esivuka nayo. Angithi asivuka nayo because I feel ukuthi wonke umuntu uyayifila, and it's even worse mawudlulile kulesimo lapho umama basevali Van der Bay Park badlula kuso. Mawudlulile kuso guys, uyasindwa mawuyibona. It brings back a lot of emotions. But I just want to say condolences to ama family. Duduzekani bafowethu. There's not much or less that I can say apart from duduzekani. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngohlelo likaJehova, angifuni ukukhuluma ngokuthi bekuyisikhathi noma intando kaNkulunkulu, angifuni. Ngoba mawudlule kulento kunezinto ozaziyo abantu abangazazi. Make wadlulelwa ingane kunezinto ozaziyo wena abangazazi abantu. You know, as a medium, ekhathini ezinje ufisa ngabe nalesiphiwa unaso. As a medium makufika ikhathi ezinje, because ukubuza ukuthi konje besingayibonanga ngoba bekwenze njani, and then kube nalento yokuthi konje thina sidaleke ngenye indlela, because and a lot of people don't understand this about mediums, and which is something that I feel ngicela ukuyi-explainer. You know, thina masibona into guys, asiboni the way your natural eye ibona ngakhona. Umuntu onobizo makunezimo ezinje. You know, I went through the whole video, angazi about more than 13 times, but I couldn't get to the information that people are reacting to. Angazi noma ngiyangithola. You know, omunye umuntu makayixoxa ubuyela back uthi hayi mhlambe mina ngiboni. But then I realized a long time ago ukuthi thina information esinikezwayo ngesimoya ayifani neyanoma ubani. Yabona nina niyibona nge-physical eye, thina siyibona ngelihlo lomoya. So I looked at that video guys, and for me, sum up so that you understand, I couldn't see the bodies of those kids. Bodies were there, yes, but kune information that was omitted through a spiritual eye for me. And that is what happens to us. That is why when we engage as mediums, siba in between. The reason why I think kuba nale information efihlwayo from thina ngesimoya is because kunendlela efanele uprocesse izinto ngayo. Mhlambe amanye ama-mediums abayi-experience, I don't know, asiphiwanga ngokufana. Ne? But I want us to go back. I think there was a year where something similar happened, and then kwaba khona umfana owaluza isandla. Isikhalo salo yamntwana sangihonta for days. Because I had questions. So when I saw the video, it brought back i-cry yalo yamntwana womfana. I do hope usaphila shem. Inhloso yale video yami, guys, are we still running content? Is it still content? Masikhula thina bekuthiwa sasifundiswa ukuthi ngisho umuntu, ngisho umncwabo udlula wena uyayifihla. Manje abantu bayashutha noma yini noma kuphi noma kanjani. Is it still content? Where do we draw iline yokuthi content igcina la? Where is the line? Because as abantu bayenza content, inkinga ababanayo futhi kuba nama remarks bakhulume bayenzeni. And then you can actually feel the insensitiveness yama conversation or whatever that whatever remark they are saying. Ubone ukuthi lo muntu akayazi lento eyenzeka la, akayifili. There's no emotion. You know, I saw the pictures of uma walabantwana bayi-2 were really red. You know, guys, sidlulile kule nto, and I can foretell you, I can assure you, ma ungakadluli kuyawuyazi. Maybe mine is different because it wasn't accident. Guys, ukusuke into isaqeda kuyenzeka, ukusuke ebantwini awuthi-ke mhlambe ngiyoxoxa noNkulunkulu, mhlambe ngiyoxolisa kuNkulunkulu ukuze mhlambe kuzoba ngathi iphupho lento. Awuthi-ke ngiyoxolisa for 5 seconds, ngike ngiyokhuluma naye ngoba mhlambe ekukhulumeni naye nokuxolisa kwami kuye, or noma ukuxolisa ey'dalweni zakithi, lento izoba iphupho. Kunento abantu abangayazi. Mawudlulelwa umntwana, umuntu wesifazane noma umama noma umzali, kunento esibelethweni eqhaqhekayo. That is why kudala ogogo bebekubopha, kuyaqhaqheka. Kunento kuwe eqhaqhekayo that is not replaceable. Abantu abake badlulelwa ingane bayayazi lento engishoyo. It's not replaceable. So can you imagine replaying this scene every time? Replaying this scene, what it does to you. Mind you, kunabantu who do not react to grief at the same time. Ishock umuntu uzomshaya after 3 days, 1 year lento. And we go about it as if into minor. Yazi into engidina nge-content is that the or ukuthi I read too much energies when I look at the content, but umuntu udlula kuyo noma ikhuluma as if I saw somebody today saying khulekelana abantwana benu. Guys, you know, I don't even say to umuntu angikhulumi ngoNkulunkulu, ngoJehova, umuntu makasesimeni esinje, especially when it's just happened, because ayikho into ayizwayo ehlangana noJehova, because kuye kunalama questions amaningi. So angazi ukuthi sidraw kuphi line. Anyways, the Vaal incident, guys, the problem with us is that we don't look at the pattern. I had to go back ngibheke pattern yalama incident from the first one, Yaga Thomas, and then it was this boy, angazi noma uThemba noma ubani, but I think I missed the name. Lo beka initiation school, and then this one. We don't look at the pattern. I remember when those 2 girls were burnt, kwaba ne pattern of some sort ngaleyo nyanga. Guys, imimoya iyakhuluma, imimoya iyalwa. Leyo into efanele siyazi, imimoya iyakhuluma, imimoya iyalwa. And I've explained a lot of things about the other realm, which enyengize ngibuyele kuyo, but let's look at ipattern yaseval. Mhlambe ngelihlo likamoya, yabona. It is just a pity ukuthi sesayenza i-mockery, ubuhlungu babantu sesabenza i-mockery, yabona, sekwaba umdlalo nje. Yo, sibabaze nokubabaza. But at the end of the day, kubuhlungu. When my son left this morning, ngike ngashaywa uvalo because I was. IsiZulu sithi alilali lingenayindaba zalo. I was. Ungayithatha mine yayizolo kanti namhlanje ibhekane nawe. When my daughter passed on, the day she passed on, beqeda ukushona umuntu oseduzane engathi umakhelwane opposite. Kugcwele imndeni uzobheka lesimo esenzekile kanti angazi ukuthi ukufa ukuthi kimi intambama ngizobe ngingawe. And that's the reality of life. Ungayibheka uyishuthe kanti beyivazama ukubonisa wena ukuthi namhlanje every second, every minute. So makuyi-content ubuhlungu bomuntu, makuyi-content ubuhlungu bomuntu, guys, i-sensitivity awuzama ukuyi-practice. But we need to draw a line at some point. Ngiyabonga.